Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I look crazy once again, but here we are. But you know why? Because today's wash day, y'all, which means I've hit my peak of grossness and it's time to feel fresh again, honey. My top choice for this overdue pick-me-up is the Carol's Daughter's Wash Day Delight in Rose Water, darling. You guys already know I'm absolutely obsessed with Wash Day Delight, but honey, we gonna make it real special with this rose water. Off the grip, you're gonna notice the smell. Oh, darling, is incredible. But you know what would make this wash day delightful? Is if I had a chocolate bearded man to help me wash my hair right now. Whoop, girl. Ah, rose water collection made more than my hair dreams come true. Okay. So now that I've got my beautiful helper, let's get this started. So of course I'm going to first start by wetting down my hair. And just a side note, I do have in Afro Kinky Curly extensions mixed in with my hair throughout. And let me tell you, Wash Day Delight is A1 when it comes to washing your hair in a protective style, y'all. So let's get into it. So first up, we're going to be using the Water to Foam shampoo. And here I'm explaining to Marcus how incredible it is because look at it. It's super liquidy. And then the nozzle is going to allow him to get right in between my rows effortlessly. And as you guys can see, a little really does truly go a long way with this collection, especially because it goes in as a super liquidy substance and then it starts to foam, darling. So you're getting that super clean feeling. Teaching Marcus how to keep the cuticle layer intact, you know, so he knows how to wash that downward motion. He about to be a professional just now, y'all. And guess what, y'all? This collection is also amazing for him. It's great on beards, great on his kinky curly hair, y'all. It's perfect essentially for the whole family at this point. Now that we're all lathered up, it's time to rinse it out. And y'all, the way that even though it gets such a crazy amount of lather, it rinses out effortlessly, y'all. Like, you'll be in there for 2 seconds. Usually with most shampoos, you're just there rinsing, rinsing, rinsing. With this, you're like, really? It came out that easily? No word of a lie. Now that we're all rinsed out, it's time to move on to le conditioner. Okay. So guys, what I really love about this conditioner is that it's actually a jelly to cream conditioner. So what that means is when you first touch it, it kind of has like a gel texture, but it's creamy at the same time. So lightweight. With being lightweight, it's got great slip. And let's not forget the smell. Oh my God. Even Marcus was like, ooh, ah, it smells amazing. And because the conditioner is so hydrating and does have so much slip, I was able to just finger detangle my hair, y'all. I didn't even have to run a brush through it. I was able to just finger detangle, which felt so amazing. An even shorter wash day. After we were done applying everywhere, we let the conditioner sit on my hair, and his beard for about 10 minutes. And just like the shampoo, the conditioner slides right through your hair when it comes time to rinse out, leaving your hair feeling super moisturized. And just like that, 2 delightful wash days done. We are officially halfway through my revival, y'all. At least now my hair is looking fresh. Look at the definition without me using diamond brush, without me using anything. It's just my finger detangling. You can already see that my hair has shine, moisture, no product, anything, y'all. Now it's time for a little puff action. Hey, ooh girl, I'm coming back. Oh, okay, well, you did it. I don't know who that is on the left. I don't know this girl. Sorry to this girl, because I'm popping now. Honestly, I have to say, thank you to Carol's daughter for this collection, for picking me up with this Wash Day Delight, y'all. Honestly, your girl is coming back, and she feels good. All right, y'all. That is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, because it's popping as Liz where you want to be, okay? All right, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like